This quick guide will teach you how to manage the URL of files uploaded to the File Manager in HubSpot. If you frequently upload files to HubSpot and want to ensure that the URLs reflect your brand rather than HubSpot's, you've come to the right place. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to customize your file URLs, giving them a more professional appearance and enhancing your brand's consistency across the web. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the settings area in your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon which represents the settings. This icon is usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on it will direct you to the settings menu. From there, locate and select Content, followed by Pages. This section is where you can manage all your content-related settings. Now, to focus on the File Manager's URL settings, head over to the Domains and URLs tab. This tab is essential because it allows you to control how your files are linked and how they appear to others. By default, files uploaded to HubSpot might use a URL that includes HubSpot's branding. However, you have the option to customize this to align with your own domain, which is exactly what we'll do next. As you scroll down the page, you'll come across the File Manager domain section. In this area, you'll see a drop-down menu. This is where you can select one of your connected subdomains. A subdomain might look something like files.yourdomain.com, where your domain would be replaced by your actual domain name. Clicking the drop-down will present you with a list of available subdomains that you can choose from. Select the one that best represents your brand or that you have already connected to HubSpot. Once you've selected the appropriate subdomain from the drop-down, all files in your manager will automatically have URLs using your chosen subdomain. This means that instead of seeing HubSpot's branding in the file URL, anyone accessing these files will see your brand's domain, thereby maintaining a cohesive brand image and potentially increasing trust with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed the URL of your uploaded files in HubSpot, ensuring they reflect your brand's identity. This small change can make a big difference in how your brand is perceived online, adding a layer of professionalism and consistency. Remember, maintaining a cohesive brand image across all digital touchpoints is crucial for building trust and recognition with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from customizing their HubSpot file URLs. Thanks for watching and happy branding!